Hey everyone, okay, so I got my Stamps of Life stamp and die set, and you get a freebie. This is my freebie, and I think it says sentiment. I think it says thank you. So yeah, it's cute. So this is stamp, die, and set of the month. They also have a card kit, but this is the only one I get. And because you're a club member, you get like 10% off all your purchases. So this is a wishing well, and they have add-ons that you can buy as well, and like extra stamps, and I think an extra die. I'm not sure, but I only get the basic. I don't get add-ons. But it's a cute wishing well. You know, I could see putting a gnome next to it, you know, or Snow White. You can, you know, your sky's the limit, right? It's so cute. I love her stamps. I love cutesy, so that works for me. But this, I believe, is like 25 and change a month, and 25 bucks is worth it to me. Less than $26. It's perfect. So, all right, guys. So that was it. Wishing well to stamp. Yeah, stamp and die set and your freebie. All right, guys. We'll see y'all next month. Bye.